Welcome to the match. This is a crucial win game for both teams. Let's see the manager's choices. The match is underway. Clear away to safety. A great save, real class. Losing possession. That was an amazing save. Fails to keep the ball. So we'll restart with that throw-in. Spotted the opportunity. Oh, good save! Fails to keep the ball. What an amazing save! The keeper just saved the team! Opening phase of the game complete. Promising signs from both sides. So we'll restart with that throw-in. Looking for options. A through ball attempt. Goal! There goes the ball. Good play, one-on-one. Fails to keep the ball. Well, that's how to dispossess the opponent. Strike! A powerful effort, but just lacking accuracy. Trying to find the target man. Oh, great vision. Oh, brilliant goalkeeping. The score is now 1-0. Losing possession. Goalkeeper relatively untroubled. Fails to keep the ball. That's a slide rule pass. Sending it deep. Through ball. Beautiful footwork. Losing possession. Great intervention to stop the play. Might be able to get in behind the defence. What brilliant anticipation from the goalkeeper. Fails to keep the ball. Losing possession. That's goalkeeping masterclass. Well, that's the end of the first 45 minutes.